Today is the fourth day of the indefinite fast that is going on in support of the Shongton workers who are now on today 111th day of strike. And it's unfortunate that the issues of the strike, which have been explained earlier also, are just implementation of the law, and there are no indications from the government so far that it wants to, how it wants to settle these issues, in spite of the High Court having directed the Deputy Commissioner Kinnaur of convening a meeting of the workers and the management. But as I said earlier, we are determined, and some new facts also will be highlighting today by writing a letter to the Chief Minister, where earlier also the workers had gone on a protest, and but the management and the local administration came down very heavily on them, terminated their services, the President Secretary of the Union in 2013. And one of the workers, he did not agitate the matter. The rest agitated the matter in the Labour Court, and they have been reinstated by the Labour Court in May. But that worker did not agitate because he was given the impression by some of the contractors that he would be taken back on work. But when he was humiliated and not taken back on work, he jumped into the river, and that was a case was registered in under suicide. That does not amount to suicide, and nothing has been done about that case. That case has been filed. We are of the opinion that that case should have been registered under 304. You created circumstances in which he was killed. So on that basis, we'll be writing a letter to the Chief Minister today and demanding a re-inquiry into that episode, because that is a very important episode. It relates with this issue. It relates with this issue because those very demands were raised then. Those have not been fulfilled since so many years, and it is again afresh that in 2016, in the month of March, on 15th, that a similar demand charter was served. That means this dispute does not arise today. This dispute is an old dispute where the contractors were exploiting the workers. They were not giving the wages which they were bound to get under law. That's why we have to raise the dispute since then. And because that worker was killed and no investigation has taken place, that case has been filed. The law demands, the humanity demands, and logic demands that re-investigation should take place in that. In that case, we are going to write a letter to the Chief Minister that that part should also be done, apart from immediately convening a meeting and settling this dispute.
Thank you, sir.